So you've taken one of these pipes and you put it in the ground to deep water your plants. Why do you do that?
If you looked at our previous videos, I preached thick compost, cardboard, thick compost. And when you water it, especially when it's a new compost cardboard bed, the water don't penetrate all the way to the ground. You're wetting compost, wetting a little cardboard, but your ground's going dry.
That's true.
So you take this, come see. You take this and you put it down in your ground, right there. You water that, fill it up, okay? And proceed around over to him. Look him. You reach in there and you fill that full of water. Can you see it? Now once you do that, back up and get the whole thing.
And these things can also, Mama, and these can also double as feeders for your worms. And we
Right.
already filmed a video on that, so we'll go ahead and link it up here or over here on the cards.
And yes, you see the bed when you get deep watering under your compost. This is deep watering under your compost. Basil, blueberries, marigolds, tomatoes, all right there, just piled in one bed. Okay.